Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. If you've got a 2018 to 2023 Ford Expedition with a continuously controlled dampening system and you're looking to shake off those minivan vibes, I've got the product for you. And that product is our 2-inch lift kit. Now this is a simple spacer kit that does not require you to disassemble your struts at all. The kit's going to include a 2-inch front spacer for the front strut, as well as a series of spacers that's going to give you 1 inch of lift in the rear to make sure your Expedition's sitting nice and level. As always, we're going to include all the necessary hardware to mount the product, and we include the brackets for the CCD arms to make sure that system works 100%. Here I've got one of our spacers mounted to the factory strut to show you what that looks like. You'll simply remove the strut, add the spacer, and reinstall. And once you're done, your Expedition's gonna have a more aggressive stance and the ability to run a slightly larger tire, which is always great. So if you're ready to raise the height of your Expedition and a few eyebrows, check out our 2-inch lift kit for the Expedition, available today at roughcountry.com.